Hi students, welcome back to the physics class. In the previous video, we already started our second chapter, equations of motion, and studied how to draw position time graph. In position time graph, we have to mark the position in y-axis and time in x-axis. And according to the value, we have to draw the position time graph. Okay? And today, we are going to learn about how to draw velocity time graph and about equations of motion. So let's see how we can draw velocity time graph and what is the first equation of motion. To draw velocity time graph, first we have to draw the axis x and y. In x-axis, we have to mark time and in y-axis, velocity. Same as that of the position time graph. So let's see how we can draw the velocity time graph. For that, here is a table from your textbook 2.6. In the table, we can see the time and velocity of a moving object. And here, the time increases by 2 seconds. That is 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. And what about the velocity? Yes. Here, the velocity remains same throughout the journey of that object. So, let's see what is the nature of this velocity time graph. So, for that, first we have to take a graph paper and then draw the x and y axis. In y axis, we have to mark the values of velocity and in x axis, value of time. Okay, here the time, the scale of the time is taken as 2 seconds and in velocity the scale is taken as 5 meter per second. Okay. So we know that by increasing time by 2 seconds, what about the velocity? Yes, the velocity remains the same, that is 10 meter per second. Okay. By giving the values of the table in the graph, we can get a graph showing uniform velocity. Okay, that means here the objects move with uniform velocity. Here time increases by 2 seconds